You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this Indian mathematician, as well as how to say more interesting names from the history of sciences and maths. So make sure to stay tuned to the channel if you enjoy learning about those. Srinivasa Ramanujan, Srinivasa Ramanujan, Srinivasa Ramanujan. And now you know more videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations of names that many get confused by. Thanks for your support. Like this video if you found it useful, and thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.